You just found the 2018 Dodge Challenger. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Drive with attitude in the uncompromising Challenger, the muscle car with a menacing stance and a fierce heart. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, universal garage door opener, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Take your lust for power to the next level. Drive the Challenger.